Think you know history? Think again. In 60 rapid-fire reveals, we smash the biggest myths. Ready to unlearn. Myth: the pyramids of Egypt were built by slaves. Reality: they were constructed by paid, skilled laborers, including farmers during off-seasons, evidenced by workers' villages and tombs showing fair treatment. Myth: the Minoan civilization was destroyed by the Thera eruption. Reality: the eruption caused damage but didn't end the civilization. It declined gradually due to other factors like invasions. Myth: ancient Romans used the Roman salute, arm extended. Reality: this gesture originated in a 1784 French painting and was later adopted by fascists. There is no ancient evidence that exists. Myth: wealthy Romans vomited in vomitoria to eat more. Reality: vomitoria were stadium exits. Vomiting wasn't a dining norm. Romans ate moderately. Myth: Scipio salted Carthage's ruins after sacking it. Reality: no ancient sources mention this. It's a modern invention symbolizing total destruction. Myth: Julius Caesar was born by cesarean section. Reality: the procedure was fatal to mothers then. His mother lived long after his birth. Myth: Caesar's last words were, "Et tu, Brute?" Reality: likely silent or "you too, child," in Greek. The line is from Shakespeare's play. Myth: the Middle Ages were purely dark and ignorant. Reality: significant advancements occurred in science, art, and philosophy. Dark Ages is an outdated term. Myth: medieval adults died around age 30. Reality: life expectancy at birth was low due to infant mortality. Adults often lived to 60 plus. Myth: Iron Maidens were medieval torture devices. Reality: they were 19th century hoaxes assembled from unrelated artifacts for exhibits. Myth: full plate armor required cranes to mount horses. Reality: knights moved freely. Armor weighed 45-60 pounds, distributed evenly. Myth: chastity belts were common in medieval times. Reality: most are 19th century fakes. There is no reliable medieval evidence. Myth: medieval Europeans believed Earth was flat. Reality: sphericity was accepted since ancient Greece. Only fringes doubted it. Myth: Columbus proved the Earth was round. Reality: educated people knew this. He erred on Earth's size, seeking Asia. Myth: Vikings wore horned helmets. Reality: this was 19th century opera costume invention. There is no archaeological evidence. Myth: Vikings drank from enemies' skulls. Reality: skulls are a poetic metaphor for horns. Literal skulls weren't used. Myth: Iceland was named to deter settlers. Reality: named for actual ice seen by explorer Floki. Myth: Dutch Golden Age elites wore black for Puritanism. Reality: black was a costly status symbol since the dye processes was expensive. Myth: Newton's gravity idea came from an apple on his head. Reality: this was apocryphal. He observed falling fruit while pondering motion. Myth: Marie Antoinette said, "Let them eat cake." Reality: this predates her. It comes from Rousseau's writings about another princess. Myth: pilgrims wore black with buckled hats. Reality: they wore colorful Elizabethan fashion. Buckles were 19th century quaintness. Myth: Salem witches were burned at the stake. Reality: they were usually hanged with one man being pressed. Burning witches was European, not colonial American. Myth: George Washington had wooden teeth. Reality: he wore dentures from ivory, metal, and animal or human teeth. Myth: Washington admitted chopping a cherry tree. Reality: this was fabricated by biographer Weems for moral lessons. Myth: Declaration of Independence, signed July 4th, 1776. Reality: it was approved then. Most signed it on August 2nd, some signed it later. Myth: Napoleon was unusually short. Reality: he was average height 5'7". This was caused by British propaganda and unit confusion. Myth: the Sphinx's nose was shot off by Napoleon's men. Reality: it has been missing since at least 10th century, likely by iconoclasts. Myth: Cinco de Mayo is Mexico's Independence Day. Reality: it is to remember the Battle of Puebla victory. Independence Day is September 16th. Myth: Einstein failed math in school. Reality: he excelled. This myth is from a grading system mix-up in exam failures and other subjects. Myth: Rasputin survived poison. bullets, then drowning. Reality: he died from gunshots. This was sensationalized by a conspirator's memoir. Myth: Polish cavalry charged tanks with lances in World War II. Reality: this was one minor incident. It was a German propaganda distortion. Myth: Cowboy hats were standard in the Old West. Reality: bowlers, derbies common, Stetsons were popularized post-Civil War. Myth: Mrs. O'Leary's cow started the Great Chicago Fire. Reality: this was reporters' invention for drama. Myth: Edison electrocuted Topsy the elephant in an anti-AC demonstration. Reality: Hugh was electrocuted years later for unruly behavior. Edison was uninvolved. This happened many years after the Currents War. Myth: Ellis Island changed immigrants' names. Reality: they had no authority. Names came from ship manifests. Myth: Prohibition banned drinking alcohol. Reality: it banned production, sale, transport, possession legal. Myth: War of the Worlds broadcast caused nationwide panic. Reality: few listeners. Newspapers exaggerated the incident to bash radio. Myth: Rosa Parks sat in the white bus section. Reality: she sat in colored section's front row, then she was asked to yield her seat. Myth: Jonestown used Kool-Aid for mass suicide. Reality: they used generic flavor aid. Brand myth from the phrase origin. Myth: Cleopatra was a stunning beauty seductress. Reality: she was praised for intellect. She had average looks. She was also of Greek heritage. Myth: Anne of Cleves divorced for ugliness. Reality: Henry's ego was bruised by an awkward first meeting. Her portrait was accurate. Myth: Rome fell abruptly in 476 CE to Dark Ages. Reality: the decline was gradual. The Eastern Empire continued to 1453. Myth: burning Alexandria set humanity back millennia. Reality: there were copies elsewhere. There were multiple loss events, not single catastrophe. Myth: the Civil War was about states' rights only. Reality: it was primarily about slavery. Confederate documents confirm this. Myth: church was always anti-science. Reality: the church sponsored science much. For example, the Big Bang was discovered by a priest named Lemaitre. Myth: Germany solely started World War I. Reality: it was caused by complex alliances. All the great powers contributed. Myth: pilgrims sought broad religious freedom. Reality: they enforced strict Puritanism. They were less tolerant than Europe. Myth: Greco-Roman statues were unpainted white. Reality: vibrantly colored. Paint faded over time. Myth: Magellan circumnavigated the globe first. Reality: died midway. Elcano completed it. Myth: castles dumped boiling oil on attackers. Reality: oil was rare, expensive. Sand or water was more common. Myth: gladiators always fought to death. Reality: about 1 in 10 died. Entertainment, not slaughter. Myth: Disney created Mickey Mouse alone. Reality: he was based on Oswald, which was drawn by Iwerks. Myth: pirates buried treasure with X-maps routinely. Reality: rare. One example was Captain Kidd. This comes from 1883 novel Treasure Island. Myth: Lincoln wrote Gettysburg Address on an envelope. Reality: it was drafted in advance. The envelope story is myth. Myth: Alaska Purchase was thought of as Seward's folly at the time. Reality: it was mostly supported. The critics were a minority. Myth: Romans held Britain briefly. Reality: they held it for nearly 400 years. This is longer than the United States' existence. Myth: castle stairs spiraled clockwise to disadvantage right-handed attackers. Reality: the direction varied. Most weren't designed for combat tactics but practicality. Myth: corsets caused fainting and organ shifts. Reality: they were supportive like bras. The myths come from extreme fashion. Myth: women burned bras at 1968 Miss America protest. Reality: women tossed instruments of female torture into a large metal trash can, including bras, girdles, high-heeled shoes, curlers, false eyelashes, makeup, and copies of Playboy magazine. Myth: interstates built solely for nuclear evacuation. Reality: they were primarily built for economic reasons. Military reasons were secondary. This was used as a scare tactic to get Congress to approve. Thank you for joining us on this historical debunking trip. I hope you enjoyed the ride.